Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Why would anyone buy an Audi S5 that's crashed and it's basically totaled? Of all the cars out there, why this one? But don't worry, today I'm gonna tell you the whole story of the car and why I bought it, and trust me, it's not just because that I love Audis. So first of all, the Audi S5 is one of those cars that are very much underrated. You get a naturally aspirated V8 with a quattro all-wheel drive, which we know is one of the best all-wheel drive system in the whole world. And also this paired with a 354 horsepower engine, 4.2 liter V8. It's not as flashy as the RS, but it still feels fast enough, premium, and just as capable. And because it's overlooked, you can actually find some for a very, very good price, although they are climbing in the past few months or years. But if you find one that's actually also crashed, then you can get yourself a very, very good deal with it. And this time would be perfect for you guys to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below if you wanna just say hi or how you feel about the whole build. So thank you and enjoy the rest of the video. Now let's talk about this exact car. Yeah, I know, it's rough, it's crashed, scratched, totaled, but when I first saw it, I just couldn't stop thinking about it. I felt like it was screaming for help. It was screaming for me to put it back on the road, fix it up, and drive it. So something about this car just felt right, like it was meant to be fixed, it was meant to be put back on the road. I didn't just want a perfect car, I wanted a challenge. I was looking for a good challenge. Something that I could actually rebuild with my own hands and put my heart, my everything into this and make a perfect car out of it. I have spent years playing car games, Need for Speed, Carbonic Simulator, basically everything, Forza, everything. But this is different, this is real. Real problems, real tools, and real results. It's not just a hobby. I have dreamt about this exact moment that I'm gonna buy a car and fix it up since I was a kid. And this is not just a broken Audi S5. This is the start of that dream. And also with this, my responsibility is also in sky high right now because I spent a lot of money on it. I already bought the parts, so I will need to do as good as I can with this car. I can't mess this up because I have the pressure of the cost next to me basically all the time. So yeah, that's why I picked this Audi S5. Not because it's perfect, because it is not. That was the main goal. It is mine now and I'm going to make it something special. If you're into rebuilds, DIY, or just seeing a car coming back to life, stick around, stay tuned for the other episodes, and just smash the subscribe button down below if you want to help me finish this car, if you want to be a part of this whole build and the community that I'm trying to build here. And don't forget, this is only the beginning. I am planning on getting way more in the future. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.